ஹலோ விவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு லாங்குவேஜ் மிஷன். இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா டிஆர்பி இங்கிலீஷ் 2001 உள்ள கொஸ்டின் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். த ஏஜ் ஆஃப் சென்சிபிலிட்டி இஸ் எ டெஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஆன்சர் வந்து சி, த லேட் 18th century. Who wrote the following lines? Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. Keats. In which poem of Tennyson do you find this line? To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Ulysses. The Scholar Gypsy by Matthew Arnold is a pastoral elegy. The poem Blessed Demoshel was written by D.J. Rossetti. Who is the poet that said, I woke one morning and found myself great? Lord Byron. Who is the heroine in Pride and Prejudice? Elizabeth Bennet. Who is the writer of A Think of Beauty is Joy Forever? John Keats. In which of his words Keats wonders about the sustenance of the imaginative vision? Do I wake or sleep? Ode to a Nightingale. For truth is always stranger than fiction. Byron. In which year lyrical ballads were published? 1798. Wordsworth died in 1850. Language really used by men should be the language of poetry. Who is the proponent of these views? Wordsworth. As a philosopher, Coleridge was more interested in the philosophy of German. The mariner in The Ancient Mariner kills an albatross. The movement of return to nature has to do with the pre-Romantic period. The pre-Romantics were influenced by the Middle Ages. Yes. Who is the writer of God Made the Country and Man Made the Town? William Cowper. The earlier English words were written to eulogize a person or the art of music or poetry. Yes. Which of the following is the work of Chaucer? Prologue to Canterbury Tales. Black Songs of Innocence is about both A and B. A in The joys of childhood in a natural and protected world. Next B வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the pastoral world. ரெண்டுமே ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட். ஓகே. டாக்டர் ஜான்சன்ஸ் டிக்ஷனரி came out in 1755. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief is associated with Coleridge. Can it be said that Dr. Johnson's attitude in the lives of the English poets is judicial in evaluating the poets? Yes. Hell is a city much like London. Who wrote this? Shelley. The character Mrs. Malaprop was created by Richard Sheridan. Who wrote an essay on Boswell's Life of Johnson? Goldsmith. Malapropism is coined after a character in The Revels. The circulating libraries were popular during the 18th century. Jane Austen's subject matter for her novel is human nature. Who speaks the following words in The Tempest? We are such stuff as dreams are mad on Gonzalo. Who is called the poet's poet? Spenser. Dryden is the supreme master of criticism. Men fear death as children fear to go in the dark. Bacon. When did Milton die? 1674. Shakespeare's sonnets are mostly addressed to the Earl of Southampton. Where does the action of Shakespeare's Messer for Messer take place? Vienna. There is no art to find that mind's construction in the face. These vats are full of irony. Duncan is a guest of Macbeth at Iverness Castle. Miranda is the daughter of Prospero. What was the first novel of R.K. Narayanan? Swami and Friends. Who wrote the Spanish tragedy? Thomas Kyd. Marlowe's first play was Tamburlaine. Shakespeare wrote 37 plays. The tragic flaw in Macbeth is ambition. Who wrote the novel Nectar in Sieve? Kamala Markandeya. Who called Chaucer the father of English poetry? Spenser. Not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. These are the words of Brutus in Julius Caesar. Lycidas is an elegy on Edward King. Browning's celebrated poems are written in the form of dramatic monologue. Who was the first poet laureate in England? Ben Jonson. The first English critic to base his literary criticism on philosophical principle was Sir Philip Sidney. The term objective correlative was introduced by T.S. Eliot in his Hamlet and his Problems. Who is the heroine of R.K. Narayanan's The Guide? Rosie. Walt Whitman was the national poet of America. Who is the founder of the modern school of Indo-Anglican poetry? Thoreau. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? This line reveals Shelley's optimism. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. These words are spoken by Jacques. Shakespeare's Measure for Measure is a problem play. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. These lines occur in Twelfth Night. In Tamil Nadu, the Sainik School is located in Coimbatore. The Sargent Report of 1944 insists on the establishment of vocational schools. The university at Tanjavur offers exclusive courses in Tamil literature. Touchstoscope is used to measure span of attention. Pavlov propounded the theory of classical condition. இது வந்து டாகை வச்சு பண்ணியிருப்பார். DTERT is expanded as Directorate of Teacher Education Research and Training. The theory on hierarchy of needs was propounded by Abraham Maslow. Formula to calculate intelligence quotient is IQ equal to MA by CA into 100. Frederick J. MacDonald established mobile schools. The floating university SS Universe visited the Madras Harbour in the year 1979. The new educational policy of 1986 was implemented by Rajiv Gandhi. India's destiny is shaped in her classrooms was the initial statement found in the report of the Kothari Education Commission. Navodaya schools are managed by private authority. The present system of education is teacher-centered. In the word personality, persona means the mask worn by the actor. The child's first teacher is the parent. The book titled Education for a Better Social Order was written by Russell. Education should be aimed at the grassroots level of any nation. This slogan was stressed by Gandhi. Diversified curriculum at the higher secondary level was implemented in the year 1978. Adonis is an elegy on Keats. In which ode does Keats refer to Ruth? Ode on a Grecian. Who is known as the Prince of Essayists? Lamb. Arnold's poetry is characterized by all these போட்டிருக்காங்க. A sense of Epicurean pessimism, a note of Victorian compromise, A brooding paralysis of action. How many novels were written by Jane Austen? 6. Pope was a master of heroic couplet. The most representative poet of the Victorian age is Tennyson. Tennyson believed in tradition. Dickens' cheap autobiographical novel is David Copperfield, who called Coleridge an archangel slightly damaged lamb. The theme of Paradise Lost is man's disobedience and fall, which is the meter used in the Paradise Lost, pentameter. Who first used the term metaphysical? Dryden. The main subject of Donne's poetry is passionate love and meditation. Who wrote the following line? A little learning is a dangerous thing. Pope. Who was the first president of the Republic of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is a light year? The distance travelled by light in a year. Kalingath Bharani was written by Jayangondar. Rajaraja Chola built Pragadiswara temple. Marathon race is 19 miles and 385 yards. 385 yards. Thank you.